Ooh, righty, guys. Talk about waited too long. Yes, this ain't something that just happened, guys. This ain't one of those where it blew and it took her a week to get here. Okay, this is something that's now we can see. If you had to guess, you can see the water pump is what was leaking. However, it's one of those that where she waited till she saw steam and smoke coming out. Okay, like I say, a water pump will give you some type of indication, some type of warning that yeah, it's starting to leak. I mean, you may see some drips on the ground, but it looks like this young lady just kept driving until she saw a big blob of steam. And guess what? That's what's the complaint. Smoke coming from under the hood. That means it had to be you had to have kept driving like this. Now, all we can hope for is she didn't destroy the engine. Let me take y'all dumpster diving and see how it look down here. Yeah, 220,000 miles. 20,000. Yeah, 20,000 miles. This is a Gen 3, guys. See that cooler right there? Yeah. So one of those things where this is one where we use the cat phrase "start here." Yes, I upsold a water pump and a thermostat, upper radiator hose and lower radiator hose, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna overheat from within. I don't know if they kept driving to the pump point where they walked the cylinder head. I don't know anything. We literally have to start here. Okay, so my parts on the way, and I hope they don't bring me no junky ass parts. I want some real good parts, but yeah, this is a bad case of still driving until you just can't see anymore. Yeah. So, oh my goodness. So you can see. I mean, look at this. What? I see coolant coming out of here. It's crazy, man. The depth at which people will wait until they finally come into a shop. People, first sign of trouble, you might want to go ahead on and do something about that. All right, because like I say, I'll let y'all know how it turned out. I'm going to replace these parts. She approved the job. I'm going to replace these parts, clean it up, clean it all up, and then go drive it. If my needle get to, of course you got to bleed it real good. Remember, there's no bleeding point. There's no bleeder screw on this engine. Like I told y'all in that last video, if you have to, just take this temp sensor out, create a air pocket, an air point. All right. Remember on the Gen 2s, the thermostat, the bleeder screw is right here, not the case on this. All right. So I use my bleeder funnel and I go this route. I'll show y'all next time I get one in, but I can't. I got to knock this out right quick. So, and I'm gonna clean it up, go drive and look at my needle. Make sure you bleed all the air out. If I go anywhere near past half, they ruin the engine. Okay. So, but I'll let y'all know when I go on the drive. So I got to end this video. Thanks for watching.